Today we're going to make another Port-au-Prince, but this one is from Shannon Mustipher's Tiki Modern Tropical Cocktails. The recipe is very similar to the Smuggler's Cove and Dawn the Beachcomber versions with some slightly different proportions, swapping out our bitters, upping the grenadine and falernum, and getting rid of the demerara syrup. But the biggest change is replacing the rum barbancourt with a Clairin. I don't have any bottles of Clairin, but I do have this 2-ounce sample of Saint Benevolence unaged Clairin I was given by Kevin Crossman at ultimatemaitai.com, so we'll use that today. For this one, you'll need Bittermans Elemakule Tiki bitters, lime juice, grenadine, pineapple juice, falernum, Hamilton 151, and a Haitian Clairin. We're going to build this in a small shaker with 6 drops of our Bitterman Elemakule Tiki bitters, 1/4 ounce of grenadine, 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice, 3/4 ounces of lime juice, 3/4 ounces of falernum, 1/4 ounce of Hamilton 151, and 2 ounces of Clairin. We're going to strain this into a Collins glass full of nugget ice. Garnish with nutmeg. And an orange peel. Let's try it. It's relatively the same drink as the Smuggler's Cove Port-au-Prince, but the flavor profile here, night and day difference. Whereas the barbancourts can sometimes get kind of washed out by all the other ingredients, this Clairin kind of washes out everything else in a good way. Getting balance from the sweetness and the acidity, but you can really taste that Clairin. And it's hard to describe. This sounds very negative. It's not, but in the most positive of ways, there's an industrialness to it. There's this like earthiness to it, not quite the grassiness from a Martinique, but just a little bit of that. And then it's like briny. There's like this saltiness to it. While it is delicious and it is not overpowering, it's probably not for the faint of heart. It's probably not for any of you who have never quite experienced one of these yet, but it's also a great application for Haitian Clairin. That type of thing, drinking neat, might turn you off to it, but using it in a drink that has all these other familiar ingredients like your lime juice, grenadine, pineapple juice, falernum, it really helps to kind of smooth things out and make it much more approachable. The only other rum I possess that even kind of resembles that flavor is the Holmes Key Reunion Island Grand Rome, which is a whole different beast that we'll get to one day. And this is why rum is so fun. You have the same drink for the most part. We did swap out some proportions there, but overall, the flavors of that drink, the template of that drink is the same. But then just swapping your rum and you get something that is completely different. That's what makes rum interesting, unique, and fun. So if you've not had Shannon Mustipher's Port-au-Prince, it's highly suggested. It's fun to take a rum barbancourt, which is the exact opposite, going from this one right here, which is just totally unaged, to a 15-year-old rum barbancourt, and just seeing how drastically different they are. So if you've not had this one yet, find yourself a bottle of Clairin and make this. So that's it for this one. I'm Derek. This is Make and Drink. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support this channel, check out the Patreon page. We got a Discord and a lively Patreon. And otherwise, see you on the next one.